Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mel, and please click on that subscribe button down in the corner as well as the bell so you are notified for every single time I post a video here. The other day I was at the gym because it finally wasn't closed, and I went there and I was using my JSculpt belt, and I posted it on my Instagram story and got a lot of response from it from a lot of my friends over in California. A lot of the girls over there want to know, what is this? What am I doing? And just tell you a little bit about it. So I am going to explain to you what I ordered and also show you how I work out with it in the gym. Now, I know you think you know what this is, but you don't.
Nope.
This is a full coverage fitness belt, okay? It is perfect for wearing for workouts, especially I like to wear it when I do leg days because it is very comfortable. It does not have steel boning in it, and it's very easy to put on. So when I'm doing my leg workouts, I have a lot of structure within my back and my stomach is supported. That my form is much better when I'm actually wearing my fitness belt. It holds me up a lot better, pulls me in, and it's snatched, I just wanted to go through and demo you guys how this works and why I like it so much, and then show you the workout of how I use it. So what's really interesting about this belt is it's a lot different than other belts that I've seen out there on the market. This one has this Velcro center across the middle of your torso. You open that up, it's kind of like little wings. And this is what I really like about this compared to other belts that I've tried in the past. Is other ones that I've tried in the past, they have a whole row of clips right here. Now this one doesn't have a whole row of clips. Let me show you guys up close. This is strictly just a zipper. It makes it a lot easier to put on and take off. And then once you have that zipped up, you just go ahead and wrap it around your stomach. And what they say is when the J starts to move more to the left side, you are getting towards your goal and getting to a smaller size. Right now, the J is about right in the center, but once I start being able to move it more to the left, I know I will be ready to downsize. And the JSculpt fitness belt does come in sizes extra small to, I believe, 6X. So, I mean, whatever size you are, I can guarantee you they have one that fits you. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this on and show you how it works. So it's super easy. You just pull your shirt up. Let me just tuck this under here real quick. Open this up. It might be hard for you guys to put on the first or second time that you get it on, just because it hasn't gotten used to your body and your body needs to start taking shape with it. So it might be a little hard at first, but I promise you it will get on. Just follow the measurements from the website and it will give you your right size. I try to pull it up to where my belly button's at, because usually my bust is pulling this part out, to where I wiggle this part right here, I pinch them together, pull it up, and kind of feed this up. All right, now pull it down, zip it up. All right, so that's on like that, but you're not done, okay? So that's supporting you, everything's all fine and dandy, but you need the JSculpt band now, where you pull this one all the way to the side, and you pull this one all the way to the other side. Now you could wear this underneath your clothes, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend it as a shapewear because it does have this band here, and that might cause some creasing. But they have so many different products on their line, and if you want to wear it like this, where honestly when I went to the gym, I wore my t-shirt and then I wore my band over top of my shirt like this. There are so many different ones. I think the next one I want to get is, it's like the black JSculpt belt. But then all this right here is gold. And it's slick. So this is what the front of it looks like. And the side. And the back. And the other side. It is very supportive in the back, guys. And you see how it holds me in. I had a couple people ask me, like, can you breathe with it on? Are you uncomfortable? Like, honestly, absolutely not. I love wearing things that conform to my shape like this. So this is really comfortable for me, and it makes me feel really supported. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my workouts and show you guys how I wear it while I work out.
Alright guys, so I'm at the gym now and just wanted to show you how the fitness belt fits over top of your t-shirt and all the angles of it. I was originally going to do a leg day video, but I figured I would just show you a lot of the different workouts that this belt helps me with.
Side note, who's been watching The Mandalorian on Disney Plus? please tell me if you have down below. And yes, because I'm all about like go to the gym, watch Mandalorian, but now it's over, so now I'm go to the gym, rewatch Star Wars. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know if you have checked out the belt on their website and if you watch Star Wars. See you guys.